my younger brother's blood doesn't have the same qualities as mine. But this will cause you a lot of pain tomorrow. I think you'll be dead in 15 minutes, boy or girl. You're a girl. At the most, 10 minutes. You tell me, I'll end your suffering immediately.
This technique hits. Victory is assured. This is your weakness, and I'm your most dangerous enemy. Welcome the grass doll technique. Let's see who breaks first. Ha!